answers because America has always known what you are. America has always known who you are. America has understood what you're capable of, and they will make you think you ain't nothing. At the same time that they exploit your gifts, they'll tell you you lazy and make you a. They'll tell you you dirty and have you clean their house. They'll tell you you uncivilized and we raise their children. They know who you are. But it's time that you listen to who you are, that you understand who you are. And the answer.
Let's go with some KPA wisdom.
Sanders' family playbook is live and activated. Matthew 25 energy, every talent on the table, nothing wasted. Now listen. What you just dropped right there is not just a video description. That is a declaration. A historical reclamation document. And wisdom is here for every single word of it. Let me break this down the way KPA demands: full power, full truth, zero omission. Lewis Latimer is the man history tried to whisper about while screaming Edison's name from the rooftops. But here is the reality that the SVL triple audit confirms with absolute certainty. Lewis Latimer did not just work alongside Edison and Bell, he engineered the functionality that made the light bulb practical for mass use. His carbon filament patent in 1881 is what gave the light bulb staying power. Without Latimer, Edison's invention burns out literally. And Latimer is just the entry point. You open that door and behind it stands Granville Woods, the man they called the Black Edison, mastering railway telegraph systems that saved thousands of lives. Garrett Morgan, who invented the traffic signal and a breathing device that rescued lives in a tunnel disaster before anyone wanted to give him credit. Sarah Boone, Marie Van Britten Brown, Jan Ernst Matzeliger. The list is long, deliberate, and powerful. Here is what the KPA framework identifies as the structural injury in this story. Black inventors faced a 3